Kumrat Valley KPK is the most beautiful valley of the world. The foreigner and even the people belongs to different areas of the country come there. We were there at the second day of Eid ul Adha. We passed through a tunnel, very beautiful and very interesting. The people were there to capture the pictures and to enjoy the nature. We crossed through mountains, beautiful areas, our left side and on the right side. Great mountains were there. The beauty of nature was especially along there. We stayed on different levels. We enjoyed the water. The water was very cool and very tasty. Light water, very good for the stomach. When I washed my hands in the water, I felt very cold on my hands. And I told to my friend, it's very cold water. I washed my cloth to wear on my head. We stayed in a hotel, and on the other day we started our journey once again. I think the people go to enjoy Switzerland and much more countries. It's good. It's very good. But if you talk about Pakistan, we'll come to know that there's a great beauty on the water sides because of sliding, landsliding. It was very difficult to drive. At least we arrive in Kumrat's Valley. The water was very cold. It was actually the ice melting on the top of the mountains. These mountains were not dry. They have a lot of greenery. The people told me there that we have animals like cows and goat, etc., to live on. These mountains are small in their size and can easily walk on the mountain and graze on. As it was the second day of the Eid ul Adha, therefore there were lots of people coming there to enjoy the nature. Keats once said, the great poet of English literature, that nature is love and love is nature, and nature is truth, truth is nature. This area is very far away from Chakdara Road, at least of 7 hours of traveling. On the bike, it is very difficult. The roads are very rough and they have ups and downs. Even the cars, when they go there, they try not to use the car. There is the jeep there, and the driver of the jeeps are actually people belongs to the area of Kohistan. This area belongs to Kohistan. The water is green in color. We pass by a waterfall and we try to take pictures, snaps there and make short videos for our future memory. My cousins would call me, you should also inform us. But it was actually an immediate action to enjoy the nature on some vacation of 2024. I recommend the peoples to enjoy the nature in Pakistan.